Today I'm going to show you how to disable or delete your Facebook account. Go to Facebook app, click on the profile icon, right side top. Now click on the settings icon, then click see more in account center, then click personal details. Here account ownership and control, click on it, then decide what happens to your main profile after you pass away. Then another option is deactivation or deletion. Click here, select your profile if there is multiple accounts, deactivate account or delete account, two options here. If you select deactivate, then the Facebook profile will be deactivated, but you will be able to continue using Messenger. If you select delete account, then the account, deleting your account is permanent. You can't undelete it. Your main profile and your Messenger and all messages will be deleted. If you press continue, then you will ask for password. After giving password, the account will be deactivated. After that, if you log in again, then the profile will be activated again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.